crap, forgot the sugar. Alright guys, welcome back to Second Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So today's the day that we go dive the shipwreck or whatever. I don't think it's much of a magnificent shipwreck, but I don't know. I'll just check it out to see. Maybe there could be a couple of fish that, you know, lay a weight around there. So maybe on the next trip I could come here, catch some fish or something like that. For those who've been following the series, yeah, I do remember having my fish pot, well, the equipment to make the fish pot out on the beach, but with the turn of events and everything that happened, you know, it's my first time doing solo camping. I was just like, you know what, I'll set up for the next trip. So if you guys want to see that, stick around for my next outdoor adventure where I'm going to be doing something like that. And yeah, to be quite honest, the coffee isn't that half bad, you know, just with the milk alone. It's drinkable. I guess I'm getting old. But yeah, that's the plan for today. And then heading back home where I'm going to edit all the videos for you guys. I'm trying to be, you know, a lot more consistent with this thing. I know you guys like the outdoor type of living and, you know, also with a bit of travel. And yeah, I'm still at the same Airbnb, really nice place. If I never scored in on the last video, I will give this Airbnb for the price point, for where it's at, how comfortable it is. I'm definitely giving it a 9 out of 10. It's a really good stay here. And yeah, basically what we're gonna do right now, we are just gonna head outside and then get ready for a day diving by the shipwreck.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, start feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
Alright guys, so we're heading down. Gotta watch your head right there. I have fins, snorkel, and a wet bag. Hopefully it's deep enough where I can go into a certain point, but either way, I know that it's gonna be a good experience knowing that I did something like this. I've never done anything like that before, and I hope to do more stuff like that in the future. All right, let's figure a way across there and then we can start seeing what's down there. You guys definitely do appreciate content like these and you want to see more of these, because this is going to be the end of this series, being in St. Mary. Try to give you guys a little bit of outdoors, a little bit of travel. If you like content like this, definitely drop a like on it. I have some other stuff that we have in mind to do. So yeah, all right, let's dive in. Find a nice spot to put my bag inside there. So that should be safe. All right. I know you guys might be wondering, Vanilla is just trying to cross here, but she realized that you can't get by. I was gonna leave her in her cage and everything, but I was just like, nah, let her run around, whatever. Oh man, I just realized that I forgot my thing to hold the GoPro. Hopefully it doesn't fall from me. That would suck.
Alright mate, that was definitely a clear sign from the ocean that it's time to go. Yeah, of course we didn't find any treasure like no gold or anything, but the treasure that we did find was that there were small aquatic creatures down there, you know, fish, sea urchins, stuff like that. Did see some wrenchmen. I did learn that from the fisherman that I went out fishing with. Some of the others I didn't quite know the names of it. But if you do know the names of it, drop it in the comments so let us know what the names are. Yeah, the one that looks like Dory. I don't know what that one is called, but it'd be good to find out the name about that one. Yeah, but it's really good to see that the ship is there. It's creating some form of coral reef where, you know, fish can actually breed up there, stay protected from larger predatory fish, and have a chance to repopulate the ocean. Because, yeah, you know the idea in Jamaica, sometimes it's a little bit overfished, especially when it's close to shore. But that's that. Anyway, I'm gonna head up right now and wash this salt off, yeah? Oh, look at that. I think there are some tourists that are coming to also snorkel the ship. So definitely a little treasure there, man. That's awesome. Alright, so I just quickly washed some clothes just now and dried them. That's the things that I wore to the beach just now. And yeah, get ready to leave. I just find it super convenient that I'm able to do all of that, you know, so when I get back home, there's not much of a hassle. And I must say, yo, I'm feeling a little bit sad that I have to be leaving Cee Camera at this moment, but yo, all good things come to an end. So as soon as my clothes are dry, I put it on express dry, so it's gonna be dry in like 25 minutes or so. I'm just gonna check every single part of the house, under the bed, every single socket, so that I don't leave anything at all. Alright guys, so now we're at the part of the video where we're definitely going to be ending everything. Yo, it was a great journey. Thank you guys for being along on it. Thanks to the people, especially the ones that always liked the video, dropped a like on it, or just even watching the video. Yo, trust me, I utterly appreciate it. You guys made this channel grow as much as it does. And shout out to my patrons. I want to send a special shout out to my patron Siri. She's the youngest patron that I have. She's 6 years old, and she's always talking about soy. You know, it's amazing that someone that young could be watching my content and, you know, really enjoying it, and maybe she's learning something great from it. I definitely hope that. And yeah, don't be afraid to become a patron. You know, patrons do help out, whether you're donating like $2, $5, whatever the case is. Patrons definitely got to see all this video series a lot earlier than the other persons on YouTube, but regardless of not, if you can't do Patreon, that's perfectly fine. Just drop a like on the video, drop a comment, and I'll appreciate it. But anyway guys, let's end the video here. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.